Welcome back to our HAZOP series. In this video, we are diving deep into one of the core elements of HAZOP study, the guide words. These are the building blocks of identifying process deviations, and understanding them is a key to conducting a successful HAZOP study. Today, we will focus on three important guide words: no, less, and more, and see how they apply to process parameters like flow, temperature, level, pressure, and composition. By the end of this video, you will have a solid understanding of how these guide words help to uncover potential risk in your process. Let's get started. Guide words are simple terms used in HAZOP studies to systematically explore deviations from intended process design. They serve to identify what could go wrong in a process. For example, no means the complete absence of a parameter. No flow means there is no flow in the system. Less indicates a lower than expected value or design value. For example, reduced pressure or low pressure. More signifies an excess of the parameter. Excess means more than a design parameter. For example, high temperature or more temperature. Now let's see how each guide word applies to a specific parameters. Applying guide words to the parameters. Guide word first, the guide word no. Applying no to the parameter. First, applying no to all the parameters. All parameters mean flow, temperature, pressure, level, and composition. We will apply no one by one to these parameters. The guide word explores the complete absence of a parameter. We are talking about no. No guide word explores the complete absence of parameter. Let's go through each process parameters. Flow. No flow could occur if a pump fails, a valve is fully closed, or a pipeline is blocked. These are the causes of no flow. Deviation. What will be deviation? No flow to the exchanger could lead to overheating or incomplete process. Temperature. Applying temperature, no to the temperature. Temperature is parameter, no is guide word. Deviation will be no temperature or no temperature. Control might mean the heating or cooling system is completely failed. Deviation. No temperature control in a stripper column could cause off-spec product or even equipment damage. Level. Next parameter is level, and the guide word is no. We are taking just one guide word no and applying it to all the parameters. Applying no to level will result in no level, means no level, absence of level, could indicate a complete empty tank or a vessel. Deviation. No level in a feed tank could starve downstream equipment and disrupt the operation. Pressure. Next parameter is pressure and guide word is no. Then it will become no pressure. No pressure could means a system depressurized or a rupture in the line. Deviation. No pressure is deviation. No pressure in a compressed gas system could halt the operation or cause leaks of hazardous substances. Composition. No specific composition could occur if a feed stream is missing a critical component. Deviation, no solvent in a mixing process could lead to incomplete dissolution. Next guide word is less. Let's look at less, which refers to lower than expected or design value of the parameters. For example, if the parameter is flow, then combine it with the guide word less, it will become less flow. Less flow might occur due to a partially blocked pipe or reduced pump performance. Deviation, less flow to the heat exchanger might result in insufficient cooling, leading to overheating. Temperature, less temperature could indicate insufficient heating or cooling. Deviation, less temperature in exchanger could slow down the process rate, resulting in poor product quality. Less level or low level could happen if a vessel is underfilled or there is slow feed rate. Deviation, less level in a surge tank might not provide enough buffer during fluctuation in flow. Pressure, less pressure or low pressure might be caused by leaks or inadequate compression. Deviation, less pressure in a stripper column could reduce stripper efficiency. Composition, less composition might means low concentration of a key ingredient. Deviation, less amine solvent concentration in a reaction could slow down the process or generate off-spec gas. Guide word mode. Next guide word is more. Finally, more explores higher than expected value of the parameter, means higher than design value of the parameters. Parameters are flow, pressure, temperature, level and composition. We will apply one by one the guide word more on these all parameters. More flow could result from an oversized pump or incorrect valve operation. Deviation, more flow into a gas absorber column might cause flooding or operation inefficiencies. Temperature, more temperature might occur due to overheating or excessive heating input. Due to overheating or excessive heat input. Deviation, more temperature in a stripper boiler could lead to thermal decomposition or overheating risks. Level, more level could indicate overfilling of a tank or vessel results in carryover of the liquid. Deviation, more level in a separator or in a column might cause overflow and contamination of downstream and carryover. Pressure, more pressure might result from blocked vent or excessive compression. Deviation, more pressure in a pipeline could cause a rupture or equipment failure. Composition, more composition could occur if impurities or unwanted components are present in excess. Deviation, more impurities in feedstock could lead to fouling or some if it is in a reactor, then there may be, if we are considering some type of reactor and there is catalyst is involved, then it will cause the poisoning of the catalyst or catalyst efficiency will suffer. Importance of systematic analysis. What is importance of systematic analysis? By systematically applying these guide words no, less and more to every parameter, you can uncover a wide range of potential hazards. This structure approach ensures that no risk is overlooked, making it a cornerstone of effective HAZOP studies. Remember, the goal is not just to identify deviation but also to understand their causes, consequences and safeguard. This is why guide words are so powerful. They simplify a complex process. Let's summarize the key points. In this video, we explored how the guide words no, less and more can be applied to process parameters like flow, temperature, level, pressure and composition. By asking systematic questions using these guide words, you can identify deviation that might otherwise go unnoticed. In our next video, we will take this concept further and look at common pitfall and applying guide words and how to avoid them. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like the video, share and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.